Hi friends, I'm pulling my kit together for September's Best of Both Worlds kit that Shimelle is taking care of or suggesting or nudging us or whatever you want to call it. Now, I don't have everything on her list, but I have some things. So I thought I would go, it's just from Shimelle.com. I thought I would go one by one with her product suggestions, and I'll show you what I have and don't have. So let me go right here. Let me go out a little bit. I want you to be able to see my iPad so you can see what I did and what I did not do. So the first thing she has is Waffle Flower Crafts Enamel Dots in Unicorn. So what I did is I looked at the rest of her papers, and she did bring in some pastels, but she brought in things with a lot of deeper colors. So I just went with this well, not new product collection, but this new set from Pink Fresh Holiday Vibes. And yeah, I mean, it's an older collection, 2017. So that's my enamel dots. Now, the next thing she has is the scrapbookcom sticker book, Rainbow Sherbet with iridescent foil accents. And I did pick that up because I really wanted to see what scrapbook.com sticker books were like. This thing is packed. We've got alphas and sherbety colors and happy colors and all of that. Now, right now, this does not match. It does not go that well together except for maybe the baby blue. But we will get somewhere, I promise. Now, the next thing she did, she brought to our attention is the stencils, and I did pick that up. Now, normally I don't pick up stuff, but I needed a new cutter. So to get free shipping, I had to do what I had to do. Or not that it was to get free shipping. I wanted this free thing, like that I don't know what to do with. Well, regardless, that's what I did. Now, she has the Distress Oxide and Speckled Egg. I don't have that. So I'm going with Ice Spruce, which is like a greener color. Great. I have that. And then let's see what's next on the list. This is where things get wonky because I only have 3 of the papers she suggested, and she has a lot this time. So I'll go one by one. So she has P13 Around the Table is her first one. I did not have that. So I grabbed out, because I was wondering if she was going to use it for like cut aparts. So I grabbed out Dear Lizzie, She's Magic and Round Trip. And clearly there's lots of things that I can cut out. I'm going to go back a little bit more and pop this right here and show you one by one. So I have Dear Lizzie, She's Magic. Next she had Photo Play Paper, Can We Just Stay Home? So I came up with this one, kind of the same tones, not on the back side, but that's okay. Dear Lizzie, New Day and Wonder. So these are looking good together, right? Then she had Photo Play Paper, Can We Just Stay Home? And it's this cut apart sheet, and I don't have that, but I did have Pebbles Live Life Happy. And it's this cut apart sheet. I think that's what I did. Oh gosh, it's not easy. Okay, I think that's what I did. If I mess up, just pretend like I didn't. All right, so I have that. And I have all these great cut aparts, and the colors are for the most part matching. Then we have Photo Play, Can We Just Stay Home collection and Home Family Fun. I just didn't have it. So I thought I would bring in like a tone-on-tone semi-neutral and kind of a peach tone. All right, so then next, she had this really nice bright one from Kate and Ash. It's a really nice bright yellow polka dot. So where I went with that, and why do I already think something went sideways on me? Oh, because I didn't show you the Simple Stories one. Okay, Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Great Escape. So I liked this blue in the background, so I'm bringing in this Felicity Jane. It's just 2 shades of blue. No idea what collection. All right, so next it was the Kate Nash, and I had this one that looked really similar to it. It was in a paper pad somewhere, sometime, no idea. I did grab this one that she had suggested. It is from Bro & Co. Totally legit, so I did pick that one up. I liked the little words. The next thing on the list right here is these doodlebug shaped sprinkles. And I have those. They're so cute. So I have those. Let's go back down over here. Then she had this really nice bright heart paper with gray on the back. I did not have hearts, but I had all of these cute little coffee cup teacups from Pink Fresh Everyday Musings, so I'm bringing that in. The next goodie she had was these old school chipboard stickers. They're in like a little silvery holographic vibe. I have those, same exact ones. So from the next paper is Heidi Swapp Old School Collection. I did pick up that one, so that will at least look the same. What else? Oh, this is so gorgeous, this paper. Crepe Paper Magical Forest Collection in Childhood. I did not have it, but I did like the idea. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. I did it wrong again. Goodness, I don't know how you deal with me. This American Crafts Never Grow Up paper. I like the deep green, so I pulled in this Photo Play from Forest Friends. I'm sorry, Photo Play, and it's called Camp Happy Bear Forest Friends for this deep green. Now back over there. For the Crepe Paper Magical Forest Collection, I'm grabbing out this wood grain that you see right there. So I'm going to use this wood grain more than the rainbow. So next she has an ephemera collection from Crate Paper, and I picked it up. So that will be spot on. Next thing she has are the 6x12 cardstock stickers from Sweet Story Collection. And I have the sticker book. So I did not get the cardstock stickers. I picked these up at my local scrapbook store. Next we have Pebbles Live Life Happy Collection. I have that, which I also picked up from my little scrapbook store. So depending on which side works for whatever I'll be doing. Then for the Live Life Happy Collection, again, have a good one. I have that from the same store. Then we have Crate Paper Magical Forest Collection. I did get that one. And then the last one is Crate Paper Magical Forest Collection. I liked that there was just kind of something kind of plain on it. So I just am bringing in a really pale peach pattern paper. This is from Pink Paisley Pick Me Up, and it's number 20. So, phew, that is going to be my Shimelle Best of Both Worlds September 2020 kit. I have a lot going on my channel this month. I'm not even sure how much I'm going to get done with this, but I do know I love these kits, so I pulled it together. I am hoping to use it as much as I can this month, and when I do, I'll let you know and bring you along with me. All right, bye friends.